Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah. Salute. All right, right here we have the very first Tesla Roadster that was introduced back in 2008 in the color orange here, which was called Very Orange. Two-seater original Roadster. Limited edition runs. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. 2008 Tesla Roadster. Okay. Salute. Big Texas. But also too, want to show you right quick, hey, in due time now when I get my Cybertruck pulling smoke, this would be so dope. Let me see. This would be so dope if I can get smoke, an enclosed trailer like this that's clear. How cool would that be? A clear enclosed trailer traveling city to city and state to state with smoke in an enclosed trailer like this. How cool would that be? Meet the new Model Y. Yeah. Made in Texas, baby. How cool would that be? Yes. How cool would that be? A enclosed trailer that's clear. Be some new level type stuff. Have smoke in the trailer. How cool would that be? Salute.
like, share, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell.